Today I am making a super flavorful and easy spiced minced eggs recipe. This dish is rich, comforting and perfect to serve with warm bread, pav or rotis. Start by boiling 5 eggs until they are perfectly hard boiled. Once they cool slightly, peel the eggs and grate or finely shred them using a grater or your hands. This will give the eggs a nice minced texture that absorbs all the spices beautifully. Set the shredded eggs aside. Now heat 2 teaspoons of oil or high heat olive oil in a pan on a medium heat. Once the oil is hot, now add 1 teaspoon of whole cumin seeds. Let them sizzle for a few seconds until fragrant. Now add 1 chopped green chilies and 1 finely chopped onion. Saute the onions for about 5 minutes until they turn soft and slightly golden. Now add 1 tablespoon of a ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of a garlic paste. Cook this mixture for another 5 minutes. Now next add 2 tablespoons of a tomato paste and 1 finely chopped tomato. Mix well and cook this mixture for another 5 more minutes. Now it's time for the spices. Add 1 tablespoon of a red chili powder or paprika, 1 tablespoon of a cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of a garam masala powder, salt to taste. Mix everything well and let the masala cook for another 5 minutes so the spices release their flavor. To make the dish richer, add 1 cube of butter and let it melt into the masala. Now add the shredded boiled eggs into the pan. Gently mix the eggs with the masala so every bit of egg is coated with the flavorful gravy. Cook for about 2 minutes so the eggs absorb all the spices. Now finally garnish with a fresh chopped cilantro for freshness and a color. And that's it. Your spiced minced eggs are ready. Serve this hot with a toasted bread, pav or soft rotis. It's quick, comforting and incredibly delicious. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more flavorful recipes just like this. This recipe is perfect when you want something quick, spicy, satisfying. With just a few ingredients, you get a dish that tastes like a restaurant style egg burji, but even better at your home.